Okay, so this just got here. And I'm very excited. It's came as a open box. Everything's supposed to be brand new. I went ahead and cut it just to save a little bit of effort. A little bit of time here. Oh, why is this thing so? Whoa. I don't think I want to lie this down on the ground. But I think so. Yes. Watch out, doggy, doggy. Let's go ahead and lay this down on the ground so I can just pull the stuff out, eh? Alright. There's the charger. There's gear. Ooh, look at that line. 0.095 on the line. That's good, because I've got some of that. Oh, I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. I might. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Anyway, let's see here. Warg. Okay, I'm going to have to tug on this a minute. Now this is 2.5, which my friend's was 2.0. So this is a little bit of a different design, but it's still 80 volt. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Let's see here. Come on out, buddy. Come on. All right. I think I might have to set this phone down for just a second. So here, look out at the yard. Let's get close to it. Look at the yard. There we go. Okay. Now, looks like we got what else is down there? All right, guys. Just a second. I'll show you what we got. All right. There we go. Now, got the basic standard instructions and the whole thingy chart. You know, believe it or not, I actually read everything at least once, which I know sounds weird, but whatever. Okay, so check this out. Hi, Skippy. Can I get up here? Bud, are you helping? Are you helping? Can you? Oh, you're gonna help me? Okay, you're gonna help me. Oh, girl, come on. Oh, I don't back up. This Porsche's not that big, guys. but it's mine. So check this out. This is pretty nice then. There's that. Cool. Preloaded. Oh, that's so nice of them. Just, you know. Now, interesting. Safety switch. That's kind of good. So, this is cool, man. Apparently, all you do is, wow. Okay, wait a minute. Again. Okay, so we gotta loosen these screws here. That's pretty cool, though, man. I like that. It just folds up, you know? So all I gotta do is loosen this. I don't know. Yeah, no, not that. Loosen this here. Yeah, loosen this and this. And, I'll let that slide up into there. And clicks in place. Oh, man, that's wicked cool, dude. Because, like, that'll make it so much easier just to cart around, man, in the car. Like, nice. All right, well, everything's pretty basic, pretty simple. That's, you know, like, you know, it's dust stuff. So, coolio. All right. Well, guys, I'm going to put this thing together and charge up the battery, do all the things that it says to do. And read the stuff just because I don't know. So, you guys are happy. They're happy. I like my dogs. Okay then. Alright, y'all. We'll see you when we get it charged up, and we're going to do a quick review on this thing. See how well balanced it is and that sort of stuff. So, see you in a little bit. Ha. Alright, you guys. So we got it put together. It's got 2 speeds. It's just a simple switch, which is really nice, I think, because that's fewer things that can go wrong with it. You know what I mean? So I don't know if I don't know if you guys can see me. Right. Maybe you can see. Yep. Alright. Well, so we're gonna try it out on the first speed first, and I gotta say it's not heavy. Not heavy. I might end up tilting this just a little bit, but see what it does on speed number 1. Oh yeah. Can't see me from down here. So that's not too bad. That's just on the first speed. So let's go ahead and put it on 2. This right here, that's some pretty thick stuff. I mean, it's very stringy. It's pretty hard to cut. But not bad at all. Now, the reason I'm going down here is because our garden is not that way, and I need to cut myself a trail to it. so let's go ahead and use a second setting here. See what happens. Oh man, yeah, all right. Well, whew. On number 2, on that second speed boy. I mean, you can see, I tore right through this stuff. This is awesome, man. I like this. And yeah, the bumper works real well. I mean, it was nothing but a light tap, just douche. So, and you can hear the line. It's great, man. It's great. So, yeah, it's pretty good balance. This thing is easy to adjust. I think I might, probably gonna tilt it a little bit, you know, adjust it. But, and, check this out. One more thing. If you're my height, all you gotta do is kind of balance it with your leg. Yeah. You know, give yourself a break for a second. So, all right, you guys, that is the Kobalt Brushless 80-volt Max. 16-inch and 14-inch. There you go. So, I'm a happy camper. Yay. All right, then. Let's shut this off then for a second, Lord.